Hi Dave Ramsey fans, this is Corey Briggs, your Smart Investor Pro with Petersen Hastings. Today I wanted to share with you a little bit of information about something that Dave refers to frequently as the debt snowball. And that's baby step 2 in the financial planning process. The debt snowball starts by listing all of your debts from least to greatest. And what you're going to do is at the end of each month, apply any surplus from your budget back against those debts. Start with all the surplus applied at debt number 1, and when that's paid off, then roll the surplus into debt number 2. So you can see how this becomes a debt snowball process. The debt snowball process doesn't include the value of your mortgage, so continue to make your regularly scheduled payments on the mortgage. We'll attack that later in baby step number 6. In another video, I'm going to lead off with what the third baby step is, which is building a 3 to 6 month savings cushion. We'll talk about that next time, but if you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to call our office or shoot me an email. I'd love the chance to talk with you. Thanks and have a great day.